Glenn, HKC's Music Corner, and it feels like every time I do a new video, big shit changes. First there's no Shavember, and then I was letting my hair grow out, now it's short, and yeah, feels a little weird because it's still cold. Yeah, welcome to the new year. Hopefully you had a great Christmas and an even greater New Year day. Hopefully it was safe. Yeah, obviously there's some people on the road that kinda and drive, so every year be safe around this time of the year. So today I'm looking at Rain's new MV, Dirty Sexy, and quite frankly, I didn't think he'd have any trouble after the military of getting back into the entertainment business. I mean, there'd be the initial fans that were kind of like, that's messed up, but he did. But I don't think his is as bad as probably Seven's and the member from Mighty Mouse, Senju. Theirs might be a little bit worse when they get out. I don't see Seven staying with YG when he comes out. Technically his contract's already gone and done with YG, so he's not part of YG right now. So I don't see him staying. I see him probably going to. Hey, I called it Gummy going to CGS, so I was right on that. So I think I can see him going to Cube with Rain, maybe CGS as well. It kind of feels weird. It feels like it was 10 years ago when I started with K-pop, and TVXQ just came out with something new. Rain, obviously Seven's not yet, but just all these stars. It's really, really, really cool to see all of them back together again in the same year. Like Rain, Seven, and TVXQ were my top three back then, or the three that I listened to mostly. I wasn't really into any of the girl groups back then because they were all disbanding right around that time. So yeah, I liked some of the vocals, and TVXQ as a group was like the best, and Rain was just a better entertainer than Seven. So we'll see how he does with Dirty Sexy. Let's go.
Dirty, sexy, dirty, 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 sexy, dirty, dirty.
Oh.
I'm dirty, baby. Come on, I'm ready to live. Make it a one. 'Cause I'm dirty, sexy, excess lady. She can be more than we can. More than dirty.
It's just fun.
I know you're more than 날 알아. 신경 쓰지 마. 내 귀 속에는 난 무대 위에 너만 봐. 처음부터 우리 보여.
Definitely see the JYP style there.
소리부터 이 비트 위에 올려봐. Hey sexy lady 가라가지 마 다가와 준비는 더 이상 필요 없어 말 그거 지금은 서로 위해 손을 붙잡는 걸 시작은 내가 할 테니 맘에 말 그거 Come on you I'm ready to live Make it a one 'Cause I'm dirty sexy excess lady 지금이 모든 위에 너와 둘이
She's a very unique, high-pitched voice.
날
Oh, the signature breakdown.
Yo, D, I can't stop.
Never stop.
I'm not gonna give up.
Keep going.
It's just the beginning. Alright? And I'm out.
That floor is awesome. There's all the effects going on it. Oh, big shoe. Rain effect. Can't wait for it to come out on iTunes. I checked last night and not yet. But obviously it's Rain. I think he's one of the. I mean, sometimes his vocals are a little lacking in comparison to like Seven, who has a bit better vocals. But Rain is the better overall entertainer. It'd be nice to see him, promote and do all his songs on Music Bank and all the other music shows. I think it's gonna be a really good year for Rain. I think he's probably gonna give EXO and some of those other groups a little bit of better competition this year. Just because his fan base is 10 years worth. And he's still getting some new fans today. I really do I think right now we might have to call him the Big Four now, because Loen's, they absorbed Starship, and they're working with other companies to promote artists like Ja when he had his comeback, Rain now, working with Cube. Well, maybe there's 5 then, because if you count Cube, there's like the big 5. JYP starting to lose a little steam, I feel, because the Wonder Girls aren't pretty much no more. So we'll see how GOT7 goes. I'm actually looking forward to that. I wasn't a big fan of JJ Project, but I hope GOT7 is pretty cool. So it's great to see Rain back. It feels like he never left. I'm glad he didn't immediately come back out with something after his release from the military. He took his time and he waited till the new year to start fresh. So that was Rain with 30 Sexy. Awesome. I have more coming up.